Welcome to Megamed.in. Megamed.in is an online medical device supply company. We deliver critical care equipments and mobility equipments pan-India. Today we will be showcasing one of the top of the range Bipap machines in India, which is manufactured by Resmed. And Resmed is one of the leading manufacturers of sleep and respiratory care equipments with more than 30 years of experience. Now, model which we have today is Resmed Lumis 100 Vpap ST, which is a recently launched model in India, and it will be replacing the Resmed AirCurve 10 ST model. If we talk about the features of this product, the pressure range and the mode, so this machine essentially has 5 modes in it. One is CPAP, one is S, one is T, one is ST, and another is PAC mode. Pressure range on this machine, when you're using it on a Bipap mode, then it will be 4 to 25 centimeter of water. When you're using it on a CPAP mode, it will be 4 to 20 centimeter of water. Now this is a medical device, so what mode and pressure has to be given, it will be decided by your physician. Now, if I talk about the algorithm of this device, this has 2 essential features. One is V-Sync, so it improves the patient and ventilator synchrony, and another is intelligent backup rate. So it smoothes the transition from spontaneous mode to timed mode. Now, if we talk about the comfort feature of this device, it has an automatic climate control, and it also has an automatic humidification. Humidification can be set manually as well, according to your preference. Now, it has a very silent operation, so it won't be disturbing any bed partner or the patient while using it. Now, if I talk about the maintenance of this product, you have to change filter every 3 months. You have to change water container and tubing every year. You have to change mask cushion every 3 months and change the complete setup of mask every year or whenever you see it's torn out. Now, one very important thing which is there when you're using any Bipap or CPAP machine with the humidification, just make sure that when you have device filled with water, do not move it, keep it at a very stable surface. Warranty of this product currently is 3 years. In case of any changes, we will update. In case you want to order this product, you can order it from official Megamed store, and we have a link in description. You can also place order over the phone or on WhatsApp as well. Now, the standard delivery time is 3 days for Northern India and 4 to 5 days for the rest of India. Still, we have multiple shipping options. If you need this product urgently, we can ship it as well. Now, apart from that, there are multiple payment modes which are available. You can place cash on delivery orders, or you can avail the facility of EMIs, card payments, net banking, and UPIs as well on the website. Now, if you have any queries or questions, please reach us on the support phone number provided on the website, and the same phone number will be provided on the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.